Hello, N4HNH here, and if you're watching this video, well, then I guess the last video you watched was video number 39 in the FTdx10 series. That said, I want to mention that there are, at this point, 51 more videos available for that rig. Each of these videos, the reason they're numbered is they move forward according to complexity. The latter numbered videos assume that you've already watched earlier videos. So if you want to continue watching the series and dig into even more of the fascinating capabilities of the FTdx10, then I invite you over to the Patreon space. That would be patreon.com/N4HNH, patreon.com/N4HNH. And join and look down the page there that you join, and you should see the additional videos for the FTdx10. Now, I should mention there are 3 levels of support there. And there's associate, executive, and VIP. I do want to be clear here. The VIPs have access to everything. The executive level has access to most things, and then the associates would have access to polls and technical discussions and such things as that. So just be mindful of that when you join. If you want total access to everything, then you would want to consider VIP level. But even the associates have access to these videos, the video series. You just wouldn't have access to the detailed PDFs that I've put together for the various rigs. You know, how to optimize the menu system in them, how to understand the menu system, how to understand the knobs and the buttons, and how I use them, how I combine them to do great things that these radios are capable of. And also there's the glossary of amateur radio terminology that goes into a pretty good bit of detail. Hopefully some things that you may remember from your licensing exams, or maybe even a little bit more detail of those concepts. And then there are a couple of setup documents for FT8, one for the FTdx10, one for the FT710. And I should mention the one for the FTdx10 can be applied to the FT101D or MP if you happen to have that radio. So there's a lot more exclusive content available for executives and VIPs. VIPs also have access to Zoom or phone technical support or consultation with me personally, in addition to shout outs and other custom content that is just thrown their way. All right, so hey, I hope you'll join us over there on the Patreon portal, because without it, you wouldn't even be watching this video. I appreciate the support of those who are willing to become a partner via the Patreon support team, so that I can continue this mission. If you're watching a video today, it's because of a Patreon support team. It's not because of YouTube advertising. You know, I hope it's no secret, but YouTube advertising is pennies. So it's just not enough. All right, thanks a lot, and hopefully we'll catch you over on the Patreon portal there. 73 from N4HNH.